What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Today is March 24th, 2020. Yesterday, there were more than 700 people died in Italy, more than 600 people died in Spain, and more than 150 people died in America. Means every day, thousands of people dying because of Chinese virus. At this moment, every country in the world are fighting with Chinese virus pandemic. But how about Uyghurs? How is their situation? What's they doing? Are they safe? Here I want to show you guys how my people, Uyghurs, are doing during the Chinese virus pandemic outbreak. Let's see. Today, forget about the concentration camp and organ harvesting. I want to discuss a little bit about the people not in the concentration camp. Like this guy, there's a Uyghurs farmer. Chinese Communist Party just dumps them to this desert and force them to work, labor work on this desert. You can see they don't have a roof, they don't have a place to stay, they don't have a kitchen, they don't have a toilet, restroom. It's just desert, it just dumps them for free labor. And look at them. Thousands of people every day transferring from the southeast Turkestan to the mainland China for free labor. I really wish those Uyghurs taken to mainland China just for free labor, not for the source of the organs. Chinese Communist Party, the crime you did to Uyghurs, the crime you did to us, the ethnic cleansing, the organ harvesting is never ever happened in the world, in the human history. We won't forget, the world don't forget how you treated us. And it's your time to stop. That's all about the Uyghurs life situation update today. At the end of the video, I want to finish it with 100+2 push-up workout challenge. Today is day 2. I did it. I will see you tomorrow.
Hurra, eksadalar yanrıtar. Hurra, kalbi dökme koşkalla. Hurra, güzel nişanga mangalla. Hurra, futbol suyer kıyındaşlar. Hurra, eksadalar yanrıtar. Hurra, kalbi dökme koşkalla. Hurra, güzel nişanga mangalla. Hurra, futbol suyer kıyındaşlar.
Yapışıl meydanda heybet 11 palvan. Simisiga artıldığını halkım kütken arman. Tebessümler tügümez. Cenguak balalar yengilmez yigitler pişansın. Tükülgen terler sanar meydan kahraman. Sizilge kiler can atlans anıyor kumansi. Güllünler futbolda kalbimiz önlükle kalar her kişi. Bu yer futbol suyer makan bulup Asya'nın merkezi. Tanrı dağdaki heybet iradımız biz bu çımlıkның ilgisi.
Yığılsın bu müsabaka, üzülmezdir bu müsabaka. Futbol boldu bizge miras, davamlaştı əsrlər. Nəsrlərdə xatırləndi, əzat bulğan.
Futbol suyer məsəllərimiz orundan qopsun. Cenk atlanğan cenk var sürekli bir ritmde soksun. Emmimiz belge, ritmlik köyde. Başlı ve tur çoqalarının huramaşını köyler. Futbol suyer məsəllərimiz orundan qopsun. Cenk atlanğan cenk var sürekli bir ritmde soksun.
Futbol bizge ənənə, toxtab qalmaz bəndənə. Kök asman bunun sıfat meydan çapsa jigitlər. Əqdirimiz meydanda, pasırımızdan qoxsun. Futbol güzel, teneke royu militimizge yoksun. Futbol bizge ənənə, toxtab qalmaz bəndənə. Kök asman bunun sıfat meydan çapsa jigitlər. Əqdirimiz meydanda, pasırımızdan qoxsun. Futbol güzel, teneke royu militimizge yoksun.
Kara dostum kör atamsa aldır kişi cenga.
Çipsire 11 jigit rəqib bir qıl çıkılmaz pərva.
Hayacanda məsəllər çox ansalar bəs.
Yaşa jigit, atan rəhmət.
Barkala. Hurra. Hurra.